In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M56 and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to tap on Notifications. Then select App Notifications here and tap on All. Now pick one of those options to sort your apps by, for example, most frequent notifications, and when you're ready, use blue switchers next to your apps to block all notifications from them, or gray ones to switch them back on. You can also click on any app available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!